In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to record owner contributions. When an owner puts personal funds into the business, you want that money to show up correctly as a deposit in your books. The goal is to record it clearly so it lands in the right bank account and stays easy to track for reporting and year-end. Start by going to the New button at the top left of your QuickBooks Online screen. This is your main starting point for most transactions. From there, choose Bank Deposit. Using a bank deposit keeps your bookkeeping clean because it records money coming into the business without creating a sales transaction or an invoice. On the deposit screen, first choose the bank account where the owner actually deposited the money. For example, if the funds went into your checking account, select that specific checking account from the drop-down. Picking the correct account here ensures the deposit appears in the right register and is easy to match later if you use bank feeds. Next, look for the section where you can add the details of the deposit. In the Received From field, select the owner's name you already use for your records. This tells QuickBooks who the money came from and keeps your audit trail clear. Now, enter the exact amount of the contribution. Make sure it matches your bank confirmation or deposit slip. While you're here, double-check the date at the top of the form so it lines up with the day the money hit the bank. If you like, add a short memo such as owner contribution for clarity. These small notes can save time when you review your books later. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and choose Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the deposit to the account you selected, and you'll see it reflected in your bank register and your financial statements. If you connect your bank to QuickBooks, you can later match this recorded deposit to the incoming bank transaction to avoid duplicates. A couple of final tips to keep your records tidy. Always verify the bank account and date before saving, and be consistent with the owner name you use in the Received From field so your reports stay uniform. If you ever spot a mismatch or a duplicated entry, resolve it promptly so your balances remain accurate. That's it. You've successfully recorded an owner contribution in QuickBooks Online using a bank deposit. Thanks for watching, and keep your records consistent for smooth month-end and year-end reporting.